Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets of achieving that glowing skin you've always dreamed of. We're all about embracing our natural beauty, and what better way to do that than by giving our skin the love it deserves? Now, achieving that radiant complexion doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, it's often the simplest things that make the biggest difference. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to be sharing 7 of my tried and true tricks that have helped me and countless others achieve that lit from within glow. These tips are all about incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine, and trust me, your skin will thank you for it. So, if you're ready to unlock your most radiant skin yet, keep on watching. Let's get started with our first trick, and that is hydration. You guys have heard me talk about this a million times, but seriously, drinking enough water is like giving your skin a tall glass of refreshment. When you're dehydrated, your skin can start to look dull, tired, and even accentuate those pesky fine lines. Think of it this way: our skin is like a plant. When it's properly hydrated, it's plump, supple, and just radiates health. But when it's thirsty, it wilts and loses its vibrancy. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. And hey, if plain water isn't your thing, try infusing it with fruits, veggies, or herbs for a little flavor boost. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Now let's talk about what you're putting into your body because, believe it or not, it directly impacts your skin's health. We just talked about hydration, but a balanced diet is just as crucial for that lit from within glow. Think of fruits and vegetables like colorful superheroes for your skin. They're packed with antioxidants that fight off those nasty free radicals that can cause damage and premature aging. Load up on leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, and anything else that adds a vibrant hue to your plate. And don't forget about healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish contain essential fatty acids that help maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier, keeping it plump and hydrated. Remember, glowing skin starts from within. We've all heard the term beauty sleep, but let me tell you, it's not just a myth. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, which can wreak havoc on your skin. We're talking breakouts, inflammation, and a dull complexion. Getting enough sleep, around 7 to 9 hours each night, allows your body to repair and regenerate, and that includes your skin cells. During deep sleep, your skin produces collagen, which helps maintain its elasticity and keeps those wrinkles at bay. So, if you want that youthful, radiant glow, make sure you're prioritizing those Z's. Trust me, your skin will be thanking you in the morning. Chapter 4. The foundation of glowing skin, skincare routine. Okay, let's talk about skincare. Now, I know you guys know I'm passionate about this one, but having a consistent skincare routine is like setting the foundation for that healthy, glowing complexion. And remember, it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Follow up with a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the next steps. And of course, never forget your sunscreen. We'll talk more about that later, but protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays is crucial for preventing premature aging and maintaining that youthful glow. Chapter 5. Get moving, the skin benefits of exercise. Now, this next tip might surprise you, but regular exercise isn't just good for your body. It's amazing for your skin too. When you work up a sweat, you're increasing blood flow to the skin's surface, which delivers oxygen and nutrients while carrying away waste products. Think of it like a mini workout for your face. Exercise also helps to reduce stress, and we all know that stress can manifest in our skin as breakouts or dullness. So, find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, running, or yoga, and get moving. Your skin will thank you for it. Chapter 6. Shielding your glow. Sun protection is key. Alright, we briefly touched on this earlier, but let's dive deeper into the importance of sun protection. I can't stress this enough. Wearing sunscreen daily is the single most important thing you can do to protect your skin from premature aging and maintain that youthful glow. The sun's harmful UV rays can cause damage, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. So, make it a non-negotiable to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, even on cloudy days. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Chapter 7. Consistency is key. Patience for the win. And finally, the last but certainly not least trick for achieving that glowing skin you dream of is consistency. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is radiant skin. It takes time and effort to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see changes overnight. Stick to your routine, be patient, and trust the process. Your skin is constantly renewing itself, so give it time to adjust and reap the benefits of these healthy habits. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey to healthier, more radiant skin. And there you have it, 7 simple tricks to help you achieve that glowing skin you dream of. Remember, true beauty radiates from within, so nourish your body, mind, and soul, and let your inner light shine through. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful and subscribe to our channel for more skincare and beauty content. See you next time!